Hi viewers, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how can you guys hide this taskbar, which is, as you can see, showing on the bottom. First of all, you just need to right click on this taskbar like this, go to properties, check this icon auto-hide taskbar, click OK. So now you can see it is auto hidden. When you move your mouse to the bottom, it will appears like this, so you can see this. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.